Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well, and we are going to do a very short video. I'm going to try and do this video for under 2 minutes. I don't know. But anyways, if you are new here and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss a thing. And today, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the NYX glitter goals. This has 3 glitters in there, and it does have the NYX glue in here, so that way you guys can have some fun. So here is the glitter primer. I've never tried this product, so we're gonna go ahead and kind of like play with it. We got some glitters right here. I see there's pink, purple, and some white. We're gonna go ahead and try at least one color, and you know what color I'm gonna go through? We're gonna do the pink. It does come like with a little safety dealy bobber where you kind of like open it here. Okay, I'm gonna give this a second. A little ASMR. Hold on. We're gonna try this sucker out. We're gonna see how well this is gonna do. So I'm gonna take my little brush and we're gonna like dip or do a little bit in here and see how this goes. So this is a primer. I'm not sure if this is like a glue type of primer. It's gonna be sticky and whatnot. I'm going to paste some on my hand. Put a little bit of glitter on my hand, and I love that it's not like caking up as I'm trying to put it on, so that's good, ain't it? All right, here we go. I'm going to show you the color. This is the pink right here. I love it. I love it, you guys. I love it so freaking much. I would do this video a little bit longer, but I'm always on a limited time crunch, so that is all for today. We will play with this some other time and whatnot. So yeah, this stuff I think is gonna do so well with my makeup looks, and I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, like I said, this little tube right here, it does act like some glue, so I would definitely purchase this again, and I think it's pretty freaking awesome. So if you guys have like any questions or anything, just go ahead and comment down below, and make sure, for those of you that are new that have watched this video right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button down right there, or right over there. Thank you very much. Okay, I love you guys. See you guys another time. Bye bye.